So the clips you guys just saw, I just recreated the scenes out of Clash of Titans with the help of different AI tools. So in this video, I'm going to be guiding you guys in detail how you can recreate your favorite different movie scenes with the help of an AI very easily in no time. So without a further ado, let's just jump right into the video. You guys must be wondering that how I created these different movie clips with AI. So yeah, basically I recreated them using different AI tools that I'm going to be telling you guys in this video. So for the first image, I'm going to be using the FlexClip AI tool to create different scenes out of a movie. So over here we have to write a prompt. Here we got styles, the model. Alright, for the prompts, I'm going to be using ChatGPT obviously for it. So you just have to open and log into your ChatGPT. So over here, as you guys can see, like this, I have given an image of a Godzilla and Kong to ChatGPT, and I have asked to write me a prompt for this. So ChatGPT wrote me a prompt for this over here, as you can see. So after the ChatGPT gave me a prompt, I asked it to write me a series of prompts like Godzilla is coming in one scene and then it's emerging from the water. Then the Kong on the other side is coming from the jungles of Amazon. The news is out that the Kong and the Godzilla are coming and the people start panicking. In the next scene, the whole city is in trouble and also military comes in. Then the Titans destroy the town and start to fight in the middle of town with destruction everywhere. So basically, I give a full prompt regarding every scene and I ask ChatGPT to create a series of prompts for it so that I can create different scenes with it. So as you can see, our first title, Emergence of Godzilla from the Ocean is here. The next title, King Kong's in the Amazon jungle. The breaking news, the panic in the city. Military also comes in and the titans collide and the destruction everywhere, alright? So you just have to paste your prompts to FlexClip. So I've just pasted the prompt regarding the Godzilla that's emerging from the water. So you have to select the style as photo over here, right? Also, you have to select the aspect ratio over here. So I'm going to be selecting 9:16 because it's best suitable for mobiles. Let's generate this image and see what it gives us. Alright guys, so FlexClip gave me these two images and these two images look tremendously good. So I'm just going to be downloading straight away from here. I'm going to be downloading both of them. So as you guys can see, I've copy pasted all of the prompts that ChatGPT gave me and these are the results. Like the Godzilla is in the water and it's emerging up the water over here. The Kong, on the other hand, is emerging from the jungle. And obviously, over here, you can see a monster that's emerging from the sky. You can see the panic in the city over in this prompt. You can also see the destruction that the Kong is doing over here. So we have successfully generated these images with the prompts of ChatGPT. So for the next step, I'm going to be creating different video scenes out of these images. Alright, for the next step, I'm going to be using Hailuo AI for creating my image into a video. So let's click on create over here. You can upload the picture that I've downloaded. I'm choosing this image. Right, so you can also write a prompt description over here, like what you want in your image, what you have to show in that scene. So I'm going to be writing that the Godzilla looks angry and the thunderstorms would be sparkling everywhere. So let's just generate this. Alright guys, so as you can see, our request is being on wait for 34 minutes. You can also subscribe to their paid plan if you want to generate your videos quickly. So as you can see, the video scene of our image has been generated and you can see the details and each and everything is looking really good. You can see the video looks quite realistic and there is no distortion effect. You can also see over here the Godzilla is destroying the town and the military is fighting it. Kong is also destroying and there is destruction everywhere. In this scene, the Kong is coming from the jungle. As you can see, it's very angry. It's coming from the jungles of Amazon, as mentioned in the prompt. You can see the Godzilla that's going up to the water surface. And finally, the clash between the titans. Over here, the Kong versus the Godzilla. This is another scene of that. So by now, I'm pretty much sure that you guys have understood how you can create the images out of your prompt using FlexClip over here and how you can generate your images into a scene with Hailuo AI over here. So for the next step, I'm going to be aligning these scenes with the help of an editor. So I'm going to be using Filmora for that. So after aligning all of these clips together, this is the final result that we got through this editing. So by now, I'm pretty much sure that you guys have an idea how you can create different prompts regarding your favorite scenes and how you can just create them using FlexClip and how you can create the scenes out of your image. And lastly, how you can compile all of them and create a wonderful scene of your favorite movie.